Howdy. This will be the video of the Dirt Devil Endura Express, but first I wanted to quickly show off these two as well. So backstory behind these three here. I am down at my uncle's vacation home in Florida, as you can see here. Pretty humid down here, but anyways, he bought this place in 2016, and I'm pretty sure he bought one of these two at the same time, but I think the Hoover replaced one other machine that was here because there's a manual back there for a Bissell ProHeat 2X full-size cleaner. You can see right there. And there's the hose and possibly missing accessories for the Hoover, but unfortunately I can't get back there. So the Dirt Devil is for the house vacuum. The Hoover is basically a full-size carpet cleaner for inside. And this is just basically for quick pickups or whatever else that this can get that I'm going to use the Hoover for it, but basically the Hoover can just do about anything, or it did, but unfortunately there's a problem with this, and that's also one of the reasons why I'm quickly doing this video, is because this is expected to either be donated or trashed, just because this thing is useless. The pump doesn't work, but it does luckily turn on. There is no mop accessory that I see inside of here, so this thing is basically useless for inside. So and the other day when we were in Disney World, my uncle just had somebody come over to professionally carpet clean the carpets. Not with this, but with their machines. So there's really no point of keeping this around for any longer. This one also has an issue as well. It works, just the sprayer is leaking, and I can immediately tell that the seals are bad. So, but this is the Bissell ProHeat model on this. As you can see, it's 1211 2C. There's the solution for it. The model on this Hoover SteamVac spin scrub is, I can pull up here, F5914 900. And the Dirt Devil it looks like a UD 17171. Other than that, there's really not much else to talk about these three. I mean, this is basically just a cheap $40 vacuum from Target. And these, of course, neither of these are my favorite to use, but they do work for what they are. Anyways, I was going to show this in the house, but like I said, the professionals came over yesterday and the carpets are still damp apparently, and I also don't have a whole lot of time left either, so this is my only shot at doing this video. I'll go ahead and quickly run this Dirt Devil, and then we'll also quickly run the other two as well. Dirt Devil has a crevice tool and a dusting brush put on. Warning label. Clear stretch hose that luckily can be easily taken off for unclogging. Got a soft but nice brush roll. Because this is a cheap vacuum, there's no HEPA filtration on it. So this is basically a cheap filter that you just rinse out. And there's also another filter up inside of here that you just take out and wash. Yeah, I haven't done a single thing to clean this up. This is just how I found it. Anyways, we'll go ahead and plug this in. Power switch right here. The Hoover. Yeah, as you can tell, there's nothing coming out of there, and there's nothing I can do about it. And finally, the Bissell. So yep, it's definitely leaking. Anyways, that's basically about it. Hope you've enjoyed this little video.